Hey guys, it's Sup Kids Cooking! I'm Sarah.
And I'm Sammy.
And we are the hosts of Sup.
Welcome to Sup's 12 Days of Christmas Cookies.
It's day 11.
Day 11.
Where every day we make a different cookie from a different culture on the days leading up to Christmas.
Yes, today is Christmas Eve. Santa is coming tonight. Yay! Is everybody ready for Santa?
Today we are making Russian tea cakes or Mexican wedding cookies. They are the same thing and nobody really knows where they originated, but people think they started in Europe and that influenced the Mexicans.
Yes.
1 cup of softened butter, half a cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and 3/4 cups of finely chopped walnuts, and also additional powdered sugar.
It's so simple. There's only 6 ingredients. All right, let's get on into the Russian tea cakes or the Mexican wedding cookies.
In a large bowl, we're going to combine butter, sugar, vanilla, salt, and walnuts. Now we're going to use a hand mixer to mix it at a low speed for about 1 minute. Now we gradually add the flour at a low speed.
Let's do it.
Now we're going to roll the dough into 1-inch balls and place about 1 inch apart on an ungreased cookie sheet. Now we're going to bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. While they're still warm, we're going to roll them in powdered sugar, then cool them and re-roll them in more powdered sugar.
We're gonna try these Russian tea cakes
Or Mexican wedding cookies.
Oh, really good. That shell of the powdered sugar really brings it all together. Because the actual cake, or the cake, is not that sweet. The powdered sugar on the outside, well, it's good. And the nut really bring that nutty flavor that really needs.
These cookies are really good.
No matter what you call these cookies, stay